What are the tax advantages of the LLC structure? So, as a designated entity for tax purposes, an LLC's profits and losses flow through to its members. Personal tax returns from a legal standpoint, an LLC is considered a separate entity from its members. So it provides some liability protection to its owners. Generally, LLC members' personal assets are not at risk if the company gets sued or cannot pay its debts. LLC members may choose how their business will divide the company profits and losses among its owners. This allows members to consider not only money invested but also time and the work contributions when distributing profits. I'm sorry. And yes, that's the answer. And also, LLC members may elect to have their LLC treated as C corporation or S corporation if they meet qualification requirements. That's it for today's video. Don't forget like, subscribe.